Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you on how to unlock your WhatsApp chat lock. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Whether you need to catch up on important messages or access a previously secured chat, we've got you covered. Let's unlock those chats. You can either turn off chat lock for individual chats or unlock and clear all locked chats at once. If you've hidden your locked chats folder and forgotten your secret code, no worries. To start, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Swipe down on your chat list to find your locked chats. If your locked chats folder is hidden, just type locked chats into the search bar and select it. Then, verify your identity with your Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN to access all your locked chats. From here, tap on the chat you want to view or message. To unlock it, swipe left or long press on the chat. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Unlock Chat. Confirm your fingerprint or PIN and you're all set. If you want to unlock all chats at once, go to WhatsApp's privacy settings, tap on ChatLock, and select the Unlock and Clear All option. This will unlock all your locked chats, but be aware that it will also clear all chat history, including messages and media. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your thoughts in the comments below.